In today's video, we are going to see that if you're using Axis Mobile application and if you want to download your bank statement in your mobile, then what are the steps involved in that I'm going to explain. So the very first step is you have to open Axis Mobile application. Once you open the application, you have to complete the login process. So you can do that by scanning your fingerprint or by entering MPIN. Once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. Now, to download the bank statement, all you have to do is you have to click on view all option, which is in front of recent transaction. On the home page, you can see some of the recent transaction is visible over here. Now to download, just click on view all option. On the next page, you can check out your account number as well as your current balance and some of the transaction, as you can see. Now to download the statement, all you have to do is you have to click on email statement option, which is present over here at the bottom on the right hand side. Now once you select email statement option, we are on the next page, and on this page you get two options. You can get email statement via email on your email ID, or else you can directly download the statement in your mobile. So once again, account number, current balance. You have to select the duration, like you need a statement for last month or last 3 months or last 6 months or last financial year, or any customized date can be done on this particular page. So you can even choose the date from which you want till the date from which you want the statement. Now once you do all these things, all you have to do is you have to click on download statement. Now I have selected last month. Let's go for last 3 months. I have selected it. You can check your email ID if you want the statement on your email. You just have to make sure that email ID is here and you take this checkbox over here. But in my case, I'm just downloading the statement, so I'm going to click on download statement. Now you can see it is downloading, and once it is downloaded, you can get a pop-up message like this saying download successfully. Now to check the downloaded statement, you can just scroll down from the top, or you can just swipe down from the top to check out the notification panel, and you can see account statement is been downloaded. Select that particular statement or the downloaded file, and you will get a pop-up like this on which you have to view that. So I'm going to select PDF format to view it. Now this is the statement for last 3 months. As you can see, you will get this in PDF format. So guys, these are the simple steps you have to follow if you want to download statement from Axis Mobile application. If you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.